Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madalyn. If you are new here, I make weekly fashion and lifestyle videos, so go ahead and subscribe if you aren't already. Today's video, as you may see, is going to be a little bit different. We're gonna take a pause this week on the outfit series. I wanted to show you guys my new in-home studio to take fashion photos, to make my content more professional for YouTube, for TikTok, Instagram, kind of doing a little bit of a rebrand. I've been working on it for the past 3 weeks now. So I thought I would show you guys how I created this studio in the guest bedroom of my home. I am not a professional, like, at all. You don't have to be a professional if you want to do this. I genuinely love making fashion content on all kinds of different platforms, and I just really wanted to step up my content. Does it look like I'm not wearing a shirt? I'm wearing a shirt. It's strapless. Anyway, I thought I would show you guys my setup, show you the equipment I'm using, and then I have been testing out photos all day today, so I thought I would record myself taking photos of some outfits, the different shots, what my vision is, and what the outcome will be. So far, so good on the photos. I'm so excited to show you. So I think too, what I'm gonna do is maybe pick out an outfit to shoot in. We'll do that together, and then I'll set you up. You get to watch me take photos, and then I'll show you the end product with the equipment that I have. So grab a snack, grab a drink. I am thrilled to show you what I've created. Another thing that I really want to, I guess, play up in this video is that everything really is not what it seems on the internet. Like, someone's life can look so perfect. I'm gonna show you how me, just a normal girl who loves clothes, loves shopping, loves putting outfits together, can create really cool content in the guest bedroom of her home. And you just can't believe everything you see on the internet, so I hope this video is a little bit relatable too. And I want to argue that you can make anything happen. You don't have to live a lavish lifestyle. You don't have to live in a really big city to do all of these different things. So let's go ahead and get into it. I have no idea how bright this is going to be with the lights, but I am currently sitting on my backdrop, and this is my view. I'm so sorry if this is bright. So I have a softbox here, I have a boom arm here, little ring light for light down on the bottom, and then I just have another one over here. So those are my light sources. All right, I know the lighting's probably yellow. Sorry, we're in my closet. So I want to choose a couple of outfits to do like some test shots with. Today truly is a testing day to see like what angles work in the studio, what doesn't, lighting, etc., poses particularly. So I want to choose 2 outfits. One, just because I thought of it earlier today and I wanted to give it a try. And then I want to try a pose where I'm like sitting on the ground and getting the full outfit in. I did some shots earlier today that were a little more scandalous, and I was like laying on the front of my body and I was like coming towards the camera like such a bombshell, but that's not the vibe we're going for this next one. So I want to pick something where you can see the entire outfit, so I thought we would just pick them together. Okay, so this might be a little difficult using just one hand, but this is the top that I want to use. So this is from Fabric. It's just kind of like a white silky top, a little bit cropped, and then in the back it has an opening and you can tie a bow at the bottom, which I thought would be really cool to like showcase the back of the shirt. Because then for pants, I wanted to give these orange velvet trousers a try. They're a little bit big on me, but I thought it would be cool to like go from behind and show the orange of the pants, and then also like the bow in the back of the top. So I don't know, I just came up with that idea. We'll see how that works. I just realized you can probably see how messy my room is in the background. It is what it is. I'm real, I'm blunt, this is real life. All right, let's pick out an outfit to do like a full body with. I have no idea what vibe I'm going for. It could truly be anything. I had this idea to shoot in the top that I was wearing in the intro of this video. I may still do that. I wonder if I could do, okay, so I have this patent leather coat by Danielle Bernstein. I wonder if I could tie that up like a dress and then maybe wear my new tall white boots from Zara. That could be kind of cool. This is the jacket I'm thinking of. I probably won't put the fur collar on it, but I can tie it up and it'll probably look like a trench dress in a way. I think we'll give this a shot. And I've got like really cool makeup on today, so may as well take advantage of it. All right, so don't mind the mess over here, but what I've been doing to go up to the studio is just pack like this huge IKEA bag of all my things, so I don't have to do multiple trips. So I actually changed my mind on one of the outfits, but I will just put them all in here. Those paper towels are from stretching these boots that I'm gonna put on later. Long story, had to be there for the vlog. I will put it in a card if you didn't see it. And then just a little jewelry box. I've got some earrings in here, and then I can just take all of it up to the studio. I've got a clothing rack up there, so I can just hang those once I'm up there. And let's go ahead and head up. I'm in my robe, by the way, because it's freezing. All right, so straight away, this is kind of an overview of what it looks like. So, like I said, this is our guest bedroom. There's a bed over there. It used to be along this wall, but my mom very kindly let me move it over here so I could have, you know, need for this space. So let's go over it. First of all, backdrop. This is a paper backdrop. I went back and forth between doing paper and then doing like a muslin material, and I read that paper is easier to get like creases and stuff out of in photos, so I went with paper. Sorry, I'm so out of breath. Just came up the stairs. So this backdrop is 9 feet this way, and it rolls out to I think 36 feet. And this was from Amazon. Everything here is from Amazon. Then I've got my stands. These are 10 feet by 10 feet, very heavy duty. Have to have specific ones for paper because paper is heavier. And then, let me come over here a little bit. So I've got a tripod here, and then you'll kind of see this rectangle shape. So because this is on carpet, as you can see, this little hole right here, my heels on my shoes, oh, and right there, it's really easy for them to go through. So that's just for me to like set a chair on or walk across so nothing happens to it. And then let's talk lights. So these 3 came together. They're all soft boxes. I'm gonna be using my technical terms. So they're all soft boxes. They've got a switch. They all plug in. This is called a boom arm, I believe, so it can go overhead. It can go further, but there's a ceiling fan. I also just plugged in my little ring light here to have some light coming this way since there's not one in the middle right here. Also, all of these came with covers, so the light isn't as harsh. I personally like when it's blaring white. These are from Amazon, all really good quality. And then moving on to this wall, I've just got a mirror so I can look at my outfits. This is like the wardrobe portion. Mirror here, and then I've got a clothing rack back there to hang all my stuff, and I can just change like right here, right there. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Everything is from Amazon. I'd say overall I spent probably close to $300, which to me isn't that expensive for all of this stuff. It's all really, really good quality, and I'm very happy with my purchases. So let's get to shooting. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by doing some headshots. Literally does not look like I'm wearing a shirt, but I promise I'm wearing a shirt. Coffee need. Also, my makeup is like so dramatic today. Look at this. Wow, it's too bad masks will cover this. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just saying, like, I want to go like grocery shopping with this makeup on. So to start, I want to try out some headshots because I think this could be like a cool situation to do. So I will show you the process of that. Does this look so chaotic to you? There's like so much going on. Pretty cool looking though. All right, let's give her a shot. So like that. Okay, let's try it. This is when I need a clicker. How do I look? Oh. Okay, it needs to be closer to me. Oh, that's cute. Oh my god, my hands look like they're 80 years old. Weird angle, I know, sorry. Hopefully this look goes well. So I was originally going to do the patent leather trench, and that was a good option, but I'm really into like 60s looks now, and I kind of just wanted to like play on that again. So I have a coordinating set from Zara that's really cute, and I'm gonna be wearing my cool white boots. This is gonna be interesting because I can't move in these boots, and the camera is way up there because I want to do like a downward shot and kind of like bend my legs a little bit. I don't know, kind of get like a Twiggy-esque vibe going. But I don't know how I'm gonna get up and down for every take in these boots. This may have to be like a hit or miss kind of deal. Honestly, I think I just need like a what's it called? A clicker, a shutter clicker thing. I need to get one of those and hook it up to my phone. But the thing is my camera takes much better photos than my phone does, and that's great and everything, but there are a few issues with my camera, like video quality. I can't hook up a shutter clicker to it. There's many things that someone just called me a baddie. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's just Madalyn things. So I'm planning to invest in a new camera soon. This is literally how hard it is getting these shoes on. I'm going to invest in a new camera soon, hopefully, so I can just, you know, have better stuff all around, but potentially moving soon, so that's going to be put on the back burner a little bit. So we're gonna make do. Right, the boots are on, praying that I don't flash you. This is really going to be interesting. I can tell my patience is going to go downhill. One little bit of gloss in the middle of my lips. I tried a nude lip for the first time today, and I actually really liked it. I just don't think nude lips looks good on me because I'm so fair, which whatever, I don't have a problem with it, but I did a nude lip today, and I think it turned out really good. All right, let's get this started. I'm trying to think of like the angle. I set it up, but I feel like my entire body is just not going to be in frame. So that is going to be it for today's little fashion video. I don't think it was too long, but I am seriously just enjoying the studio so much, and I thought I would show you guys. Highly recommend, like, if you want to step up your content, invest in yourself, you know? I'm looking at how my light is about to go into my backdrop. That's concerning. But yeah, I also wanted to note that the things that I took photos in today, I have like had in my closet. Do not feel like you need to shop consistently to, I don't know, get new outfits for new content. I love styling. I love styling one thing many different ways. Obviously, that's normally the fashion video of the week. So that's what I do. Like this little set I have on, oh my gosh, I've had it for probably like 4 years. And then the top and bottom I've had for a little while too. So you can always restyle, and you can shoot your items, even if it's not fashion, in different ways, different angles. Basically, just don't think you need like new stuff every time you go to take photos. So yeah, that is my spiel. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know it was different today. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you made it to the end, and subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.